Wow, such a beautiful truck. Can I play with it too?
No, you can't play with this. Go play with your own toys.
I hope I can get a fire truck toy like that one day.
Why are you crying?
I want a fire truck toy.
Don't worry, little one. Wait for me. I will make a beautiful fire truck toy for you. Even more beautiful than that one. Quick, help me collect lots of cans. We'll use them to make the fire truck toy. When we get to my house, you will definitely see my masterpiece. So many cans.
Wow, so amazing, Daddy. Wow, so perfect, Daddy. I love it.
Here comes the fire chief. Wee wee woo!
Wait for me, I'm coming too. I'm going on an adventure outside now, Dad. This is my amazing fire truck. My dad made it just for me from special cans. I am a great firefighter. This truck? My dad made it just for me.
Let's race then.
See? Nobody can beat me! What's wrong, little one? And where is the truck? Don't worry. Wait here, and I will make a new fire truck for you. One that's even more modern and better than before. This is our new material. This coupling looks solid. Good pressure on this valve spring, too.
What about this nozzle?
Ah, flawless brass. Well found, little one. We'll put the real siren here.
Yeah, that's perfect.
And this gauge will actually work.
Watch the cut line closely. We follow the diagram on the blueprint exactly to shape this frame piece. Safety first.
See how the metal fuses here? That's the secret to a strong joint, kiddo. It has to be indestructible for the fire truck's core. We're bridging this connection now. See how the solder flows? That completes the circuit for the starter switch. And this is why lubrication is critical. The oil reduces friction, allowing these gears to mesh perfectly.
Ah, I see how the...
Wow, look at it, Dad. It's perfect.
We finally did it, son. I'm so proud of you.
I'm the fastest, the best. No one has a truck as cool as mine. I'm the champion of this whole neighborhood. Hey, you! Help like and subscribe for more videos.